Hi dosto, once again welcome back to the channel. This is a very quick but informative video. So you would have seen about Pegasus software or spyware in the newses. Okay, this is the hot discussion today at least. So we can call it as Pegasus or Pegasus, whatever it is. This software we will discuss in the video regarding this software 7 very important points even everyone should know, and might be if you know or not you are interested in these questions. You can see what are those questions. What are the phones infected by Pegasus? How it might enter your phone? What could Pegasus do on your phone? And how to know your phone is infected or not? And what to do if you find your phone is infected with Pegasus? How to save yourself from Pegasus? And the last one, do you need to worry about it as of now in 2021? So these are the things discussed here. Okay, please let us start one by one. And once to highlight about this is a software developed by Israeli NSO, and they were using, their government itself were reportedly using across the world to spy people, maybe due to terrorism or other things. They wanted to crack the data of people, interestingly. And one more thing, it is vulnerable on phones through a web link or a missed call. I will explain about this later slides. Now, what are the things this can do? It can steal from your mobile anything and everything. Your passwords, contacts, text messages, photos, WhatsApp chats, WhatsApp videos, video calls, VoIP calls, anything and everything it can steal. And only way to avoid is, once it is installed on your phone, only way to get rid of this is to throw your phone away. That's what they say. I will explain later how it is. Now, what are the phones infected? As you can see on the screen, Android, iOS, Symbian, BlackBerry, any other things, it's almost all the phones are infected. Nothing or no one is saved from this spyware. That is the speciality of this. And how it might enter your phone. So this is also something worrying, because I will show you through SMS link, email links, or any other link through WhatsApp or Telegram, and WhatsApp missed audio or video calls. So this was the very annoying, and this was the problem, because you cannot stop a missed call or missed audio or video call, right? You might be able to stop all these things clicking on links and stuff. So let us see what are the other things. Examples are here. You might get an SMS like this: your Apple ID is due to expire, or you might get an SMS of promotion or gift or something. Please do not accept this kind of things. This is another message saying that you have to link so and so. Okay, and this is another message. There is a warning saying that your iCloud is suspended and so and so. So friends, if you get something like this, why to click here and get it checked? You go log into your iCloud and see whether it is suspended, and if there is a warning, you can take care of in your iCloud account itself. But do not enter or try to click this link and do something fancy. Okay, avoid this kind of suspicious messages. And this also shows, it's an Android example message where you can see here the language can be anything and everything. So it's not mandatory they will send you in English or something. So please do not click on all this kind of things. And one more thing is, there is a possibility you get a missed call like this. The name is not important, but it's a missed call video or audio, and through this missed call they might get installed this software. So clearly they say user does not even have to pick the call and the phone still get infected. You get a missed call, and after that the phone gets this software installed, and after getting this software installed, it will delete the missed call history. So that means you are never even going to know whether this software is installed on your phone or not. This is very, very interesting fact. And what could Pegasus do on your phone? Okay, this is not a question because it can do anything and everything. I don't need to discuss this. As you can see here, it has unlimited access to your mobile devices. It can steal intercept your calls. It can bridge relationship with other applications. It can even accept encrypted content of your device. That is also very troublesome. And application, it can monitor other application what are the application you are installing, you are uninstalling, where and all you travel, because it will have your network as well as GPS access, so it will know where you travel. Okay, so everything and anything is possible. And as you can, this is the summary taken from the software snapshot itself. As you can see here, it can take your microphone, emails, SMS, location, network details, instant message, photos, files, and what else, anything and everything, calendar, phone calls, social network, contact details, browsing history, device settings. Okay friends, so it can access everything from your mobile. So how to know whether your phone is infected? This is the very important. Okay, Pegasus spyware is nearly impossible to detect is what everyone says. Okay, so and one more thing is, even if it is uninstalled later, there is no way to tell whether the device was affected, because when it is uninstalled, it is by default it may get uninstalled, and it will not keep any log or data to show you that this software was working on your phone. Your phone does not even get slow. Okay, usually when you install some spyware, your phone misbehaves. It might go lag will be there, it might work slowly, or it can corrupt your another application, by which you will have a suspicion there is something wrong. But this software will not do anything of such kind, so that you will not know any problems. And uncertainty as to whether it allows to manipulate with other applications. That means no one knows whether it can corrupt or it can access other applications. Okay, and WhatsApp can be has been sending alerts. So this is the only one way. At least very rare people got a message, or WhatsApp has sent an alert saying that there is a problem like this. If you get a message from WhatsApp like this, that means this software was affected on your phone. Okay, this is one thing. And what to do if your phone is infected? So finally, say for example, say you get a message like this, you are using an old phone, you are using an old version of WhatsApp, and you get a message like this. What is the thing you are going to do? There is nothing you can do. So what they say is, you have to discard your phone. Clearly they say that discard your phone. And there is, because even if you do a factory reset, this is the last chance everyone has, right? You do a factory reset, still it's a possibility that this software still works once your phone is back after factory reset. So you have to discard your phone. And even if after replacing your phone, you have to make sure you are buying a latest phone with latest Android, iOS, and all the software are up to date. And also make sure you are changing your credentials, because they would have already accessed your username and password through your old phone, and you are supposed to change your phone to the latest phone, and change all your passwords, cloud passwords of your username. Now, how to save yourself from Pegasus? This is very important feature, where avoid downloading suspicious files, avoid clicking on unknown links, never open links which is from unknown source. Now, if you own an iPhone, do not jailbreak it. People usually try installing say in Android they do rooting process, right? You would have heard this, root your phone. Do not do this. When you are rooting the phone and trying to install some third-party application, you are violating the security features of your operating system. Please do not try to do this unless that phone is only for your R&D purpose. Okay, and always install software updates and patches on time. Company or Android people or iOS people might push your latest security software update and stuff. Please patch it or install it on time. Only do not install third-party things, but pushed by operating system itself. Now turn off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and location GPS services when not in use. Okay, if you are not using, just off those services. Now encrypt any sensitive data. Okay, you can use the encryption on phone, still they may hack, but still it is one level higher security. Backup your files in a period. Okay, that means backup your files in physical storage. That means if something gets corrupted, at least till that date you get your backup file saved. Do not blindly approve app permissions. Okay, this is something very easy to say, but when you install an application you get something like this, right? Application is asking permission for these things, so it is difficult to filter, because if you are not approving any of this, it might not install the application. So basically what we do, accept everything and click on accept. This is what we left with. But what you can really do is, before accepting, just have a quick check that this is the application I am installing. What is the purpose of this application? Whether it really wanted to access your photo media files, or whether it really wanted to access your device ID and call information. You should at least have a knowledge point that this application is really worth accessing these things, and accordingly take a call. If you find no, this has some problem, why it is accessing this, so you skip that application, do not install it at all. That's what you can do actually. So do you need to worry about it as of now in 2021 latest? This is very important. Maybe everyone is looking for this. They say not really, you don't need to really worried about, but there are conditions provided. It's not that 100% you don't need to worried about. What are the conditions? Please follow these things, friends. Okay, the last things in the slide, but very important. You have an iPhone running iOS 14 or higher and Android 11 or higher. This is recommended. Even if you have these phones, make sure your latest version of applications like WhatsApp is installed. Okay, this is one thing. And this, they say you don't need to worry about classic Pegasus. So this was the first kind of versions of Pegasus software, which they have called as classic Pegasus. We never know, they have higher versions which will even run on iOS 14 or Android. No one knows. Okay, but still they say the known version of Pegasus will not run or is blocked on this latest Android and iOS. And one more point, I have clearly given the versions. You can pause this video and see through this. Impacted WhatsApp for Android prior to 2.19.134. see this. Okay, these were the impacted versions. WhatsApp Business, this is the version impacted, and so prior to this. So after this version, things are safe, or you can go through these versions. Okay friends, and one more thing I wanted to show you. You can check your WhatsApp Messenger. You can see here, if you go to about WhatsApp, you can check your version. So for example, here mine is 221. So the infected, they say it was 219 or so. So this way you check it and make sure all the app updates are done, and OS also to the latest for your phone. Okay, so please take care of everything. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please follow this or forward this to your friends who is also looking for information on Pegasus, the latest. And also please subscribe to our channel. We will push important videos like this which will be useful for you. Thank you so much. See you with another video.